Missy Grace. Let's talk about banana today. Recently I have loads of banana, and some of them they're from green to the yellow to the brown ones, but they're all good because banana, believe me or not, is a wonder fruit. It has so many benefits. Let's just tell you some of them. Bananas are low on glycemic index, especially when they're green, but as they go ripen, their glycemic index scale goes higher because of the resistant starch, and the pectin started to change and transform into the sugar. Let's just talk about the green bananas first. They are full of fiber, vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, plus there's plenty of antioxidants. And the most important thing, when it's green, it has that resistant starches that helps control the blood sugar. It increases the good bacteria in your intestine, plus it will help you to produce more of the good cholesterol. So if you have the concern of heart health or diabetes, green bananas is really the best for you. It also has plenty of fiber, and if you are feeling that you need to control your weight, but it will make you feel fuller, and it would also be in your stomach much longer. And when it turns to yellow, the nutrients or the fiber started to go really softer than the green one because of the pectin is starting to reduce, and the resistant starch starting to transform into sugar. So it will be softer and it will taste much better, especially when it gets to the brown color. When you see the banana has the brown spots and all that, that means all this resistant starch has transformed into the sugar, and it will make it sweeter and softer. And you can also put them into the cooking, the baking, even mix it with your cereals or your smoothies. Much palatable. So this is an idea of whether you should eat the green one or the brown or the yellow bananas. They all have really good nutrients that you can have for different health reasons. I'd like to say that a banana a day will keep the doctors away. Let me know your comments below. What do you think about banana? Do you eat a banana every day, or you at least have it incorporate in your daily diets? I hope that helped you to decide what type of bananas you would like to have for your health reason or for your enjoyment. Now, until next time,